Oh, are you going to get your feet?
I'm going again. I'm going to go again.
Get the stones from here. Use ones on the floor.
No, I already got.
That's massive. Careful with that. I think that's a bit too big. Use smaller ones. Ooh. Is it cold? Chasing you. Yeah? Ready? No. Is it cold? I'm having Whoa. Ready? Yeah. Oh, it's not too bad. It's hard. Oh, it's not too bad. Think of the Bahamas. Think of Greece. Think of Turkey. Don't go away. I want to put my phone back up there, but I can't because I can't really go all the way up there. But I keep going, I'm like, ah! I know, don't splash me, please. I'm coming. No, hurry up, I'm coming. Look at these two nutters, they're so far out. It's absolutely freezing in there and they've walked that far out. Oh, Elsie's coming back. Elsie, is it cold? You're so brave.
Then the speedboat.
She's going to go further than the speedboat.
Like all the way at the back.
Oh, she's laying down. Just lay down. She's silly. It's too cold. My crazy child.
That's her.
That is Taya swimming in this freezing cold sea. I swear she should have been called a mermaid. Hi!
Hi.
Hey! Are you cold?
Yes,
Look at that.
it's supposed to start.
What can you hear? In the shell? So me and Tiana have just left Taya and Elsie, I forgot her name, on the beach, and we are trying to find fish and chips, which you think would be easy. We can't get through there, can we? Yeah. Being on a beachfront, but we can't smell it everywhere. So everywhere? Can't smell it anywhere. So we're going to go and have a look in the fairground because there's an ice cream. Oh, fish and chips, look. Right, found it.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind.
So we've just come to the fun fair. It's called Funland in HAYLING Island. We've just bought our tokens for us to go on the rides. They're average between 3 and 2 tokens. Can you mind your head? So if you could have come in, that's, I don't know if you can see, that's like the average 3 to 2 tokens per ride, per person. So we're going to walk around now and see what we want to go on. Right, let's see if you're tall enough. Stand up. Yeah. That was really fun. Did you go all by yourself? You're such a big girl now.
And a monkey on the front. There's a lion sitting on top. See?
What should we go on next, Els?
Can we go on? I think
Still gonna have a look, I think.
We've just stopped for some snacks. Me and Elsie have got sugar donuts. Gemma's got some popcorn. Claire's got
Half a marshmallow.
chocolate coated marshmallows. They smell so good. So we're going to stop, eat some of these, and then we're going to do some more rides. Yeah, having a good day today. It's really good. It's only got really warm, hasn't it? We've all come in jumpers and jeans. So it was only meant to be about 18 degrees, but it feels much warmer. So when we go back, we might get changed. Yeah.
I think that's been
Woohoo! Up we go, go, go! Ready? Yeah, I know. We're going up, down. We go back up. A bit wet.
Yeah, no, you took like 5 years since you came out. And this is why I said no.
Turn round.
Shows you had fun.
I get the feeling of drops, and then I go on a drop and I'm like, but then the splash at the end was fun.
So we have just finished up at the beach and the arcade and the fun fair, and it's already 5:10. We didn't even realise the time. So how long have we been at the beach for, Taylor? 7 hours. 7 hours we've been out for, and we didn't even realise we wanted to go to the 5:30 show tonight, but obviously we're not going to make that, but it's fine because we've had a really lovely day. So we're just walking back now. It's a 10-minute walk, excuse the shaking of the camera. So we're going to pop to Tesco's and get loads of like little picky bits for tea, have that, freshen up a little bit, and then probably head to all the shows for about 7. So yeah, like I said, we've had a really lovely day. Spent another small fortune in the arcade at the beach. Elsie's won lots of prizes. You had a good time, Elsie? Yeah, I think she's got a little bit of sunburn on her face, which isn't great, but it only just come up in the last like half an hour. So yeah, we're going to head back now, have something to eat, and then we will see you all when we're at the show. So we've just got back to the caravan. I feel like we were talking. We've all gone a little bit delusional. Oh, I don't know if the sun's gone to our heads, but let's start this again. So back from the beach, like I said earlier, we are going to have something to eat, get a little bit freshened up, and then head over to the shows. Elsie is asleep. She fell asleep like the last 10 minutes of the walk back, or like last 5 minutes. I've brought her in, I've laid her down, and she stayed asleep. So don't know how this is going to go tonight. I'm going to cook food and then try and wake her up, but if she's too tired, probably just going to have to stay in. And I've got to like pack everything to go home tomorrow because we've got to be out of here at 10 a.m. But yeah, we had a really lovely time at the beach. Elsie won lots of sweets and prizes on the 2p machines. We had a really nice time at the fun fair, went on loads of rides. I got 36 tokens for £20, and that did the girls plenty of rides. So I was just saying to Tiana, I feel like I could have like one more night here. So I think next time we come away, we'll do like a Monday to Friday, and it's only one extra day, but I feel like it's gone really, really quick. It's what it is. So yeah, hopefully I can wake her up and I think we're absolutely fine and get to enjoy the shows.
This is what I wanna be, sitting here I see what hell meant so much to me.
Oh my god.
we're now back from the shows and back at the caravan. The older two have stayed over at the show. They're watching a bit of karaoke, and I've decided to bring Elsie back. It's about 10 o'clock now, and I just need to get packed for tomorrow to go home and just have a little tidy up in here. And obviously Elsie's getting a bit tired, so that's what I'm up to. I could just go to bed myself, but yeah, I've got quite a bit to do. So I've had a really lovely time here. Elsie's a little bit sad to go. I've just explained to her that I've got to pack up to leave. She's got a little bit upset. You don't want to go home, do you, darling? Yeah. It'll be all right then. We need to go home to our own beds, don't we, and see our toys. Yeah? It'll be fine. So I don't know if I'll be vlogging tomorrow because we will literally just be travelling home. So if not, then this is the end of our holiday vlogs. I hope you enjoyed them. If you haven't seen the other ones and you just stumbled across this one, I've got day 1 and day 2 on my channel before this, so go and watch them to make more sense of this one. So I hope you enjoyed coming along on our little caravan holiday with us. It was a lovely weekend. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you all in our next video.